Before we move on to our recipe for today, I would like to first acknowledge our subscribers. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And to those new to our channel, you are welcome here. Please stay tuned. Our recipe for today is called Veggie Bopis. Bopis is a spicy Filipino dish made of small pieces of offal such as pork lungs, spleen, and heart that are sauteed in onions and garlic and then simmered in vinegar. Today, we will make a healthy version of this dish. For this recipe, we can always use our homemade veggie meat. To those who missed the video, I will put that in the description box so that you could go back on how to make your own. But since we're pretty busy this past few days, we will use this veggie choplets. I bought this for 90 pesos and it's already 400 grams. All plant-based ingredients. Again, this is not sponsored. Hope someone will. When we open the can, this is how it looks like. It is well packed inside, and we will not use the entire can, just half of it. This is the 200 grams of veggie meat that we will be using for this recipe. Here are our ingredients. 200 grams of veggie meat, 1 small finely chopped carrots, 1 small red onion, finely chopped as well, 4 cloves of garlic, finely chopped too, thumb-sized ginger, again finely chopped, 3 pieces of bay leaf, 3 pieces red chilies, 1 green chili for color, and of course, soy sauce and black ground pepper to taste. Let's start heating the pan in medium fire. We will be using annatto oil, however, we don't have one prepared, so we will make one. On a hot pan with vegetable oil, we will add 10 grams of annatto seeds or achwete. We will allow it to secrete the orangey color on the oil. When bubbles start to form around the annatto seeds, turn off the heat and let the seeds soak in the oil for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, we will remove the annatto seeds from the pan. On the same pan, we will saute our onions, garlic, ginger, and half of the chopped red chilies. We will saute this for 1 to 2 minutes. When all the aromatics are cooked, we will add our finely chopped veggie meat. Combine it with the aromatics and continue sauteing all the ingredients. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, let's add our chopped carrots and bay leaves. Saute them for 1 minute and then add 1 cup of water. Also, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and ground black pepper to taste. Let it simmer for 5 minutes until all the ingredients come together. After 5 minutes simmering, this is almost cooked. At this point, I add the remaining chopped chilies and I will put another 2 more minutes to reduce the liquid, and we are ready for plating. And here is our Veggie Bopis. All are plant-based and absolutely healthy, tasty, and spicy. This is perfect with hot rice. I can definitely assure you that you will eat a lot of rice. This can be served as well as an appetizer for beer or alcoholic beverage as well. Ahem. So there you have it. Hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you do, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you'll get updated on our next video. Till next time, thank you.